So I started 2 years ago. I started working as a barber and a hairstylist. It's actually very interesting to me how people get transformed with just a system. So when I first saw it, I was like, this is something really, really good. And it makes me happy making somebody happy in the same way, making sure that they're satisfied with what we're doing here. So this is really something really interesting. And to see people getting transformed by something very small, it's kind of like makes me happy. So the best hair system for clients are usually when you look at their face structure and their features, and what they do for living and how old they are, and if they want it to look natural. And so I always aim for the best. It really depends if they're working out, if they're just sitting on the desk. It really depends on their everyday activities. A lot of beginners, they worry about what if it starts lifting. And so we're here for that. I always tell them to come back after a week or so, just so we can check if there's any issues. We can give them tricks and tips on how to take care of it. The most popular one that we have is the Ultra Hold. It holds up to 2 weeks or maybe even more, depends on how clients take care of it. My go-to tape is also Ultra Hold, just because it's long lasting and clients seem to enjoy it. The best advice is to see your stylist, and she can give you suggestions on how to take care of it and how to kind of comb the hair, because it's very important. And moving forward, to kind of see tips and tricks on how to keep it long lasting. Use a lot of hair detangling sprays and leave-in conditioners. It's very important to keep it moisturized. It's always difficult for new people to, when they come in and it's a new system, they feel like a brand new person. They don't know who is in front of them when they're looking at themselves in the mirror, but we always assure them that slowly they will start getting adjusted to it and they will like it more by time. I aim for the best, and I want to make sure that the fades look very sharp.